In simple words, germination can be defined as the growth of a seed into a young plant or a seedling. What is seed germination? Seed germination may be defined as the fundamental process by which different plant species grow from a single seed into a plant. This process influences both crop yield and quality. A common example of seed germination is the sprouting of a seedling from a seed of an angiosperm or gymnosperm. The process of seed germination. A complete process of a seed germination is carried out in the following steps. During the beginning stage of the germination, the seeds take up water rapidly, and this results in swelling and softening of the seed coat at an optimum temperature. By rupturing of the seed coat helps to emerge the radicle and the plumule to form a primary root. This stage is referred to as an imbibition. After the emerging of the radicle and the plumule, the seed activates its internal physiology and starts to respire and produces protein and metabolizes the store of food. This is a lag phase of seed germination. In this stage, the cell of the seeds are elongated and divided. This is the final stage, which brings out the root and radicle out of the seed and cotyledons and are expanded, which are the true leaves of the new plant. Conditions necessary for seed germination. Here are some of the important requirements which are essential for seeds to germinate into a seedling and to a plant. Water. It is extremely necessary for germination of seeds. Some seeds are extremely dry and need to take a considerable amount of water related to the dry weight of the seed. Most seeds need enough water to moisten and not soak as it leaks away from a germination inhibitor in the seed. Water plays an important role in seed germination. It helps by providing necessary hydration for the vital activities of protoplasm, provides dissolved oxygen from growing embryo, softens the seed coat, increases the seed permeability. It also helps in rupturing of seeds and also converts the insoluble fluid into soluble form for its translocation to embryo. Oxygen. It is an important and essential source of energy required for seed growth. This is required by germinating seeds for the metabolism and is used as a part of aerobic respiration until it manages to grow green leaves on its own. Oxygen can be found in the pores of sand particle, but if the seed is buried too deep, it will be deprived of its oxygen. Temperature. For a seed to germinate, it requires a moderate temperature of around 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Quite obvious, different seeds require different optimum temperatures. There are some seeds which require special requirements, either lower or higher temperature between 5 to 40 degrees Celsius. Light or darkness. This can act as an environmental trigger. Many seeds refuse to germinate until sunlight falls on them. The process of seed germination under the above mentioned favorable conditions triggers the seeds to undergo a rapid expansion growth of the embryo by culminating in rupturing of the covered layers and emergence of the radicle. This radical emergence is considered the completion of germination. Factors affecting germination. There are some factors that affect seed germination. These include external factors, internal factors. In external factors, let's see water, temperature, oxygen. In water, the poor or additional supply of water affects the seed germination. Temperature. This affects the growth rate as well as the metabolism of the seed. Oxygen. Germinating seeds respire vigorously and releases the energy required for their growth. Therefore, deficiency of oxygen affects the seed germination. In certain cases, a temperature below the moderate level slows down the seed germination and promotes to the fungal growth. In some cases, the germination stops at the temperature above the moderate level. Factors affecting germination: internal factors. Seed dormancy. This is a condition in which the seeds are prevented from germinating even under favorable conditions. During seed dormancy, the seed coats, which is resistant to water and gases, restricts water uptake and oxygen exchange. The seeds with undeveloped or immature embryo do not germinate. Certain seeds contain plant growth regulators which inhibit seed germination. Some seed requires more time for their germination. Thank you.